In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move taskbar icons left on Windows 11. If you've upgraded to Windows 11 and noticed your Start button and app icons are centered, but you prefer the classic look from older versions of Windows, this quick walkthrough will help you switch them back to the left. It's a simple change that can make your desktop feel more familiar and efficient, especially if your muscle memory expects the Start button to live in that bottom left corner. First, look at the taskbar along the bottom of your screen. Make sure you're clicking on an empty area of the taskbar, not on an app icon or the Start button. Now, right-click that empty space. You'll see a small menu appear with a few options. From that menu, click Taskbar Settings. This opens the Settings app directly to the taskbar section, so you don't have to hunt for anything. In the Taskbar Settings window, you'll see several categories that control how your taskbar looks and behaves. Scroll down if needed, and find the section labeled Taskbar Behaviors. It may be collapsed. If you see a small arrow next to it, click once to expand it and reveal more options. This area is where Windows 11 keeps alignment and other behavior controls, so it's the right place to be. Inside Taskbar Behaviors, look for Taskbar Alignment. It's a simple drop-down menu. Click it and select Left. As soon as you choose Left, your taskbar icons and the Start button will shift to the left side instantly. There's no Apply button and no restart required. This change affects how the taskbar arranges your items across your desktop, helping your cursor land on the Start button and pinned apps exactly where you expect them. A couple of quick notes to keep everything smooth. If you don't see taskbar behaviors at first, scroll a little more. The list can be longer depending on your screen size. Also, if you're using multiple displays, the alignment setting is applied consistently, so your taskbar icons will follow the same left alignment across monitors where the taskbar is shown. If for any reason you want to switch back later, you can return to the same taskbar alignment drop-down and choose the other option. Nothing else about your apps or shortcuts changes. This is purely about where they sit on the bar. That's all there is to it. Right-click the taskbar, open Taskbar Settings, head to Taskbar Behaviors, and set taskbar alignment to left. With that, your Windows 11 taskbar now has the classic layout, ready for quicker, more comfortable navigation.